Alright, besties, we're cooking. Close my little curtain, my little bathroom, just to help me minimize the cooking smell. I just tried to like boil. Can you hear that? A sweet potato in my rice cooker. It went pretty well actually. How are we doing today? I would say I don't know. I'm feeling very I don't know. I'm very tired. I just took like an hour nap. Couldn't get out of my nap because I'm just so tired. Using some rice. I'm such a fucking idiot. That is so hot. There's the rice. It's so hot. I'm such an idiot. Okay, wait. I'm gonna wash my rice now. Okay, do you like the view? Not do you like the view. I feel like I'm giving like Chief Queef vibes. You know the girl from TikTok? I love her. She's so fun. Always wash your rice. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of gunk, a lot of starch. You want to minimize getting into your system because your tummy will hurt. And in the long run, it will cause problems. This is also a PSA to also wash your washed rice. They still come in a box. They've still been touched by, you know, stuff, air, people, bugs. You don't know what the fuck is coming into contact with rice, whether they're boxed or not, and whether they're advertised as pre-washed. Always wash your fucking rice. Hello, welcome to my cooking vlog. I think I've said hello a few times, but again, welcome to my cooking vlog. Today we're cooking our very first dinner in my dorm room. This is my small ass kitchen. I love it. It gives vibes. This is my Pocari Sweat. I have my sweet potato right here. I don't know how I want to eat it because I don't really have a lot of stuff, to be honest. The only seasoning I have is I have some sugar, I have some MSG, some mixed pepper mix, and shoyu. So I don't have a lot. I think I'm just gonna whip something up. I have some chicken, I have some watercress, I have some little tomatoes and a bell pepper, and I have some onions in here. So what I'm first gonna do is fry up my onions with my chicken actually. I think I'm just gonna do stir fry. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I think I have some, oh yeah, I do. Frozen broccoli. Should we try? Let's try together. Oh. Shut up. That's good. I can work with that. That's really good. Damn. Oh, I do have garlic too, actually. Yeah, I stayed home today the entire day. I worked on some more paperwork. Oh my god, the paperwork never stops here. And I got my test results in for, these are pretty big onion pieces. I don't give a fuck. I got my test results in for my proficiency test that I had to do to for my uni to see like which language courses I can take. I got like I'm kind of surprised with my results, to be honest. So that's nice. But I'm gonna have to do like an in-class test too. Just to get my definitive results, which will be either Monday or Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, I really needed today for myself to just stay in, be in my room, and not go out because let's just say the past week has kind of taken a toll on me, and because I'm surrounded by people every day, which is nice, which is fine. I'm really grateful that I'm here with people that I know. At the same time, it's also incredibly overstimulating because I am an introvert, and because I am an introvert, I do need my alone time, and because I haven't had proper alone time while I've been in Japan, You know, I've just been feeling strung really tight, if you get what I mean. I know when I'm crossing that point, I really need to like take a step back and be with myself for a day, maybe even two. If I'm free tomorrow, I'll probably be spending it indoors as well. Maybe. Kamo. Tabun. Allegedly. Okay, here we go. Let's cook. The chicken in, let me add some MSG while we're at it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear any slander on MSG while I'm cooking, okay? I don't want it. I'm gonna delete your comment if I see some MSG slander in the comments. Because honestly, I think most of the issues people have with MSG is racist. And I'm just gonna stand by that. Call me wrong, but there are worse things to be wrong on. And this is not one of them. What am I gonna do with the sweet potato? I don't know. Where's my bell pepper? Where's my bell pepper? Oh, there. I love a good bell pepper. And I love new knives. They're also sharp. I don't need a lot, to be honest, because I am just with one person. This is the thing. This is something I probably will have to get used to. Cooking for one person. I am Malukan. We do not cook for one person. We do not cook one person meals. We cook meals for entire generations. These are little tomatoes. Fun fact, I'm actually allergic to raw tomatoes. They're like fruit, actually. Allegedly. And I am allergic to fruits. I have what it's called like oral pollen allergy, so I am allergic to almost all fruits except for pineapple because the acidity kills off any of the pollen that is on the fruit, and lemons and limes, and because that's the same thing, like. And I'm also allergic to like cashew nuts and how do you say that? And like the nuts that are pine nuts that are in pesto. I cannot eat that either. It makes me very itchy. It makes me very nauseous. Like those nuts specifically make me very nauseous. But I'm not allergic to all nuts. I'm not allergic. I don't have a nut allergy because I can't eat like M&Ms and peanut butter. Maybe I'll cut up the goguma as well and have it just like in there. I think that's nice. Right? I call it goguma. That's like Korean, right? But that's how I know them, as goguma. I have to register for classes tomorrow at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. And also tonight at 9 p.m. from 9 to 10, I have like a international house residency meeting, so I have to make my way down actually. I have to make my way down to the common room and listen to whatever the fuck they want to talk about. We're gonna be fine. We're doing alright. I'm gonna put my koguma in. I don't know if this like the best way to do it, but I don't care. Oh, my fucking broccoli. Ugh. These are hella big. Should have put them in earlier, but you know what? We live and we learn. Oh, my rice is done. Let's see. It looks... 大丈夫かな? It's a little wet. Let's just back in the chicken. Let's put some soy sauce in there. 2 sticks of sugar. Make it a little sweet. Yes. guys, this is a lot of food. And I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. I have no idea if it's delicious or not, but my 고구마요. My rice. Now I have food for 2 days. Nice. Look, a steaming bed of rice. Bussin'. Look at this. Oishi. Feels good to me. Time for a Coke. I usually drink Coke Zero, but there was no Coke Zero in the 7-Eleven I passed yesterday, so 7-Eleven. Maybe I'll eat pudding afterwards. Oh guys, this is gonna be so great. Oh, I love being at home. Let's go. Let's see if it tastes well. I have a bunch of paperwork here. So much paperwork. I mean, like, can we not do paperwork? It's like, it's bad for the environment. These are my placemats my godchildren made for me. So I'm eating off of them. I'm gonna make a picture actually for my brother so that I can show them that I am actually eating from it. Well, I'm gonna eat. Let's see how this is gonna taste. Let's see. Taste test. It's a little hot, but it's fine. Life is good. Oh, life is good. Wait, am I delusional? Why is this good? I'm really surprised. I'm gonna put on my Erco actually. Because it tastes really well. I didn't expect my shit to taste really well. I'm gonna continue eating. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend time with me. And I'm gonna go and continue eat. Jenna!